Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CBSE Class 12th exam pattern 2023 to 2024. As per the new changes in the CBSE Class 12th exam pattern, students will now get more MCQs in their exams. The major changes include there will be about 20% MCQ based question for class 12th in the final board exams of 2024. A total of 40% of the questions in the final exam will be competency based, including MCQ, source based and case study based questions. Short and long answer type question will constitute 40% of the total questions. Let's check the CBSE 12th exam pattern 2023 to 2024. CBSE is conducted by Central Board of Secondary Education. The question paper pattern will be consist MCQs 20%, competency based question in the form of case based question, source based question or any other types will be 30%, short answer or long answer type question will be 50%. The duration of exam is 3 hours in English mode. Medium of exam is English or Hindi. Regional languages are an optional language exam for candidate and will not be used as the main form of examination. Let's check the subject-wise exam pattern and marking scheme 2023 to 2024. In English, Sociology, Political Science, the theory exam consists 80 marks, whereas the practical exam consists 20 marks. In Physics, Geography, Computer Science, Chemistry, Biology consist theory exam 70 marks, whereas the practical exam consists 30 marks. In Mathematics, the theory exam consists 80 marks, whereas the practical exam consists 20 marks. In History, Economics, Business Studies, Accountancy, theory exam consists 80 marks, whereas the practical exam consists 20 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Maths chapter-wise exam pattern and marking schemes. The relation and functions consist of weightage of 8 marks, calculus consists of weightage of 35 marks, algebra consists of weightage of 10 marks, vector and three-dimensional geometry consist of weightage of 14 marks, linear programming consists of weightage of 5 marks, probability consists of weightage of 8 marks. Let's check the physics chapter-wise exam pattern and marking schemes. Unit 1 Electrostatics, Unit 2 Current Electricity will carry a weightage of 16 marks. Unit 3 Magnetic Effect of Current and Magnetism, Unit 4 Electromagnetic Induction and Alternating Currents will carry a weightage of 17 marks. Unit 5 Electromagnetic Waves, Unit 6 Optics will carry a weightage of 18 marks. Unit 7 Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter, Unit 8 Atoms and Nuclei will carry a weightage of 12 marks. Unit 9 Electronic Devices will carry a weightage of 7 marks. For practicals, 2 experiment, 1 from each section will carry a weightage of 7 plus 7 marks. Practical record will carry a weightage of 5 marks. 1 activity from any section will carry a weightage of 3 marks. Investigatory project will carry a weightage of 3 marks. Viva will carry a weightage of 5 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Chemistry chapter-wise exam pattern and marking scheme. Solutions, chemical kinetics, D&F, block element, coordination, compounds, biomolecules will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Electrochemistry will carry a weightage of 9 marks. Haloalkanes, halogenes, alcohol, phenols and ethers will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Amines will carry a weightage of 6 marks. For practical, volumetric analysis, salt analysis will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Content-based experiment will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Project, class record and Viva will carry a weightage of 4 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Biology chapter-wise exam pattern and marking scheme. Reproduction will carry a weightage of 16 marks. Genetics and evolution will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Biology and human welfare, biotechnology and its applications will carry a weightage of 12 marks. Ecology and environment will carry a weightage of 10 marks. For practicals, 1 major experiment, slide preparation, project record plus Viva Voce will carry a weightage of 5 marks. 1 minor experiment, practical record plus Viva Voce will carry a weightage of 4 marks. Spotting will carry a weightage of 7 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Accountancy chapter-wise exam pattern and marking scheme. Accounting for partnership firms will carry a weightage of 36 marks. Accounting for companies will carry a weightage of 24 marks. Analysis of financial statements will carry a weightage of 12 marks. Cash flow statements will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Computerized accounting will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Project file will carry a weightage of 4 marks. Written test 1 hour will carry a weightage of 12 marks. Viva Voce will carry a weightage of 4 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Business Studies chapter-wise exam pattern and marking schemes. Nature and significance of management, principle of management, business environment will carry a weightage of 16 marks. Planning, organizing, staffing will carry a weightage of 14 marks. Directing, controlling will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Financial management, financial markets will carry a weightage of 15 marks. Marketing management, consumer protection will carry a weightage of 15 marks. And the project will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Economic chapter-wise exam pattern and marking scheme. In Part A, Introductory Macroeconomics, the national income and related aggregate will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Money and banking will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Determination of income and employment will carry a weightage of 12 marks. Government budget and economy will carry a weightage of 6 marks. Balance of payment will carry a weightage of 6 marks. In Part B, Indian economic development, development experience 1947 to 90 and economic reforms since 1991 will carry a weightage of 28 marks. Current challenges facing the Indian economy will carry a weightage of 50 marks. Development experience of India, a comparison with neighbors, will carry a weightage of 12 marks. And the last project will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 English Core chapter-wise exam pattern and marking scheme. Reading skills will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Creative writing skills will carry a weightage of 20 marks. Literature textbooks and supplementary reading text will carry a weightage of 40 marks. Assessment of listening and speaking skills will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Internal assessment, the listening will carry a weightage of 5 marks and speaking will also carry a weightage of 5 marks and the project work will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Let's check what are the important changes in CBSE Class 12 exam pattern 2023 to 2024. CBSE has introduced certain changes in the CBSE Class 12 exam pattern 2023 to 2024. CBSE introduced a new exam pattern according to which there will be more MCQs questions in Class 12. The new pattern also included more application-based questions to assess students' critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. In English language and literature, there will be multiple choice fill in the blanks and synonyms or antonyms questions. In biology, assertion and reason-based questions have been introduced by the board in the place of the multiple choice questions that were previously included. There will be 5 questions for 1 mark. However, there will be more descriptive in character. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.